Santum Sonse.
Hello people, how are you doing? My name is Santiago Molina and I wish you're okay because I am okay. And today I'm gonna teach you how to install in a correct way the game Frogatto because I have seen in forums that most of you have problems playing it on Linux Mint. So let me explain you. First of all, you open your browser, your favorite browser. Mine is Brave. Brave. Okay, I have already clicked on Brave. And now it asks me my password. I put my password and here is Brave. Brave. Then here you enter a GitHub site. GitHub.com. Alright, we are here in GitHub. In search, we put Frogatto, remember with double T. I almost confused and I put double G, but no, it's one G, two T's. Then you put the first link here, Frogatto Friends is an action adventure game. Okay, people. Now you copy this direction. Here in Argentina we call it URL. I don't know how to say it in English. And you put git clone and you paste with Ctrl Shift B the URL, the web direction, and here you have, you give enter, and I have already installed it, but you press enter and you install it. And then, yes, like always, like everybody does, you go to the download software and put Frogatto. Frogatto, this is to have the link, the icon here in games. You see, like me, Frogatto here. So you install the first one that has 4 plus half a star, you know, and then you are already there, most already there. You can play, you put Frogatto, you may click, and here is the game, and it doesn't shut down when you get out of your house. You can play it it doesn't go, it doesn't shut down the game. Wish I had helped you in a way. This is how I did to install Frogatto in a correct way. I was so embarrassed, no, so defrauded, so I don't know how to say it in English, but I was so worried because I couldn't install Frogatto. But then I finally found it and got it. Frogatto, there you are. People, it has been a nice chat with you. Wish you are okay, and because I'm okay, and I hope you are okay. And see you in the future.